Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can display time on your web page using JavaScript. For this, I have created a HTML file. In HTML file, I have created two tags. One is h1 tag and second is p tag. H1 tag, I have given it class name channel title and I have given my channel name Tech Explorer. In p tag, I have given it class name time and id is time. In style tag, I have done some styling of these two tags using CSS. In body tag, I will add a script tag. Script tag is used to add JavaScript in HTML file. In script tag, I am using an inbuilt function which is set interval. Set in window dot set interval. Set interval is used to repeat the code after the specific time given to it. So I am creating a anonymous function in set interval function. In this function, I am creating a var which is variable time date equals to, I am using new keyword and date. After that, I am calling my p tag in JavaScript. So I am writing document dot get element by id and time. Dot, I am changing this to time, so I am writing dot text content equals to time date dot get os. I am concatenating with a string. This gives a space between the hour and minutes and add a colon between the hour and minute. So I am again writing time date dot get minutes. I am again adding a space between the minutes and seconds. After my time function is done, I am writing 1000 milliseconds so that this code will automatically repeats after 1 second. So when I go to my browser, as you can see, the time is displaying here and it is changing after every 1 second. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.